Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, ORÚNMÌLÀ, the Erínmolls, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. ORÚNMԻLÀ'S counsel to the children of Ògbè-Káńá. Those children of Ògbè-Káńá, for whom this Odù appears during a birth divination or during an initiation ceremony in the Ogbodun, are advised by ORÚNMԻLÀ in the following manner. ORÚNMԻLÀ ni o di kitirikpa, emi ni esunwo esemeji irandiona, ORÚNMԻLÀ ni ki amu okanti ale tilefika kurova, ani ekun oni ki ise ekun, ani eja oni mi ose eja. Moni ORÚNMԻLÀ ki ni o ofi kakurani ona. Oni ki aru akika ati okpolokpo akara. When the required sacrifices are not made to Isu, he places his feet on the road so that people are unable to carry out their daily affairs. Then, these people begin to suffer from hunger and come to ORÚNMԻLÀ, who advises them to offer an akika, porcupine, to Isu in order to calm his anger. Once the sacrifice is made, Isu removes his feet from the path, saying, Kábí Kára, Kábí Kúrò, lójú ona. Translation, may it be firm, may it be removed from the road. If this Odù appears in divination for someone who intends to travel, they are advised to sacrifice the head of a porcupine to Isu, along with a generous portion of akara, bean cakes. However, the person must not travel until 7 days after the sacrifice has been made,